This video guides you on how to get Etihad miles. Visit the official website of Etihad Airways. In the navigation bar, select Earn Miles. Click Buy Now under the Buy Miles section. Press Buy More Miles on the Buy Miles page. Select the number of miles you want to buy from the drop-down menu. Click the Buy Miles button in the Form section. In the modal, click Continue to Payment. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click the Continue to Payment button. Select the Any Payment from the options as your payment method. Click the Pay button to complete the transaction. Alternatively, you can also use Miles Booster to get more miles. Boost miles earned from flights in the past 12 months. Earn up to 3 times more guest miles, up to 150,000 miles each year. And if you use your Etihad Guest Visa card, you'll earn miles on that transaction too.